Alright, there's the waterfall. It's pretty cool. Let's get closer. It's not every day you can just walk up to a waterfall. This should be pretty cool. I hope. Wow, just the wind from this thing landing and sending air back at me. Woo! Wow. I am at the water's edge here. And woo! There's a lot of wind and rain coming in my wow, I'm getting rained on big time here. Whoa! Oh my God! Woohoo! That's a lot of waterfall. It's time to get out of here. And I am drenched. I tried to walk behind that thing. It was like entering a hurricane. To see that in the daytime.
This is daytime. This is Icelandic daytime.
Oh. I guess I won't be coming back. Almost 600 steps. About 2/3 of the way up. And I'm feeling it. Even she's breathing heavy. and this is why we're all here. To see that.